Hey everybody, it's your girl Carrie Nick, and I'm here today to unbox my new 2 boxes of Colourpop makeup. No, I'm not sponsored by Colourpop, I just love them. The look today is You Had Me at Hello Colourpop palette, and I have Colourpop, the Knockout blush and highlighter on my cheek. I forgot that I just got highlighter, girl, so I shouldn't have put that on first, but I did. So I'm going to show you the lippies, what they look like on me, except for the 2 that I bought for friends. So let's get started. So my first box, oh so cute as always. Lots of stuff to show you, girl. Okay, so I got a lippy sticks, and it's called Glam Bag. But it doesn't want to focus. Okay, so we'll start with this one. I love their lippy sticks. Oh, we will not start with this one. This one is for my friend Chelsea. She loves a good hot pink lip. I haven't worn that in a while. I used to wear that Nicki Minaj lip girl. But this is for my friend. She just loves hot pink. And I got this whole box when the lippies were on sale, 20% off. This was like just over $2. I was living. Okay, so we have a lippy pencil in Aquarius. So let me find a lip that goes with that. Aquarius lip. Come on, Aquarius. Here we are. It's an ultra matte lip. I love their ultra mattes. I'm not going to overline my lips for this because, well, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But I want to show you all the different lips, and I don't want to wipe off my other makeup. New champagnes. I'm really liking this lippy stick, or sorry, lippy pencil. Okay, now let us go in with the color, girl. I'm going to try and do one coat. People always ask me, how do you put on lipstick with that piercing? It's so easy. You just go around, girl. If you get any on it, oh well, you just wipe it off. And you're good to go. Now with mattes, I like to get right in here because it will dry. And I don't like when you can see the lip. Right at the rim, girl. Ooh, she's cute, girl. I like her. How do we feel? I think I like her with this look too, girl. How is she though? Okay, I like her. Let me pause you and get back to the next one. Okay, so next we have a lippy pencil, which I've already applied to save time, and a lippy sticks called Boys Town. It's another nice nude sort of a, I don't know what that color is called, mauve? I'm not sure. But it is beautiful, and she is creamy, girl. That's what I love about their lippy sticks. They're creamy and like they feel really, really good and comfortable on the lip. You'll have to forgive the bit of a dry lip. I exfoliated and I put on some moisturizer, but I live in Canada, girl, and it's cold out here in these streets. My lips are paying for it. Okay, we love her. Let me get in that light. Feature this. I really like this color. I feel like it's so me. It's like, I love a good nude, but this is like such a me. Like, it goes with my complexion. I am living, child. Let us get on to the next. Okay, now we have one so nice. I bought her twice. This is called Ipsy VIP. I love Ipsy too, by the way. They have wonderful glam bags. She is a pinkish, sort of mauve pink, ultra glossy, and I cannot wait to see what she looks like. Their glosses are so pigmented and pretty. You will live. I have not been disappointed by any of the Colourpop products I've bought. And they're so affordable. And dip into her again, because I like dramatic lips. Oh, this is beautiful. It feels so comfortable. How is she though? Catch that light, honey. Love her. Now this didn't come with today's order. This is their Lippy Sticks Primer. I'm just applying a little more because I'm feeling my lips getting dry from taking off all these different colors. And this just like conditions them for your lip to go on. It sort of mats them down so that it doesn't kind of go around your lips and what's the word? Girl, I know the word. Not fray, but you know when your lip like goes around and it starts to spread out and you're like, girl, that's not where I put you. Stay put. This will help it stay put, but it will also moisten your lips. And we are going to get into Ultra Matte Lip again. This one's called Tuesday. And it is bold, child. By the way, I will be talking sort of like a drag queen. That's just my people, girl. I'm sorry. That's just how I roll. Okay, this is like pink, but pinkish red. Perfect for Valentine's Day. What are you guys doing for Valentine's Day? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you're going to have an amazing day. If you hate Valentine's Day, let me know that too. It's alright. Oh, wow. This is bold. Always true to color, always pigmented. So work quick. I really like their applicators. I don't usually use a lip brush with them because they're good, and I find that you can also use them like as a lip liner by turning it over. Oh, she messed up, but that's okay. We just overline. Oh, girl. I'm feeling it. Definitely needs, I feel like, an even more bold eye to go with it. Even though it's so bold, I would probably do gold or like bronzish. Okay, I love this lip. I can't say enough about it. I could sit here all day and just get it, eat it. Oh, okay, girl. I'm loving this lip. Next, we have a 3-pack of lips. This is called Just Peachy Mixed Finish Lip Collection. We have a matte called Instigator, a satin called Screenshot, and another matte called Speed Dial, and they're all peach. Spill the tea, girl. When I just opened and looked at these, they all looked basically the same, but I didn't look at them side by side, so that's what we're about to do, because I could be wrong. I'm definitely wrong. They're a little bit different. Some of them darker, lighter. Okay. 2 of these are very similar. Screenshot and Speed Dial are very similar. So we have in order Speed Dial, Screenshot, and Instigator. Speed Dial, Screenshot, Instigator. Beautiful. I feel that I only need to try on one of the peaches for you. Just... let's see. Let's try on Instigator. They are so similar, and maybe I don't need to try them all on. What the heck, I'll try them all on. My lips are gonna be so done with me. Okay, Instigator. One coat, girl. That's beautiful. I am feeling Instigator, and this is the Ultra Matte Lip. Get up close for you so you can really see. I love this. This is beautiful. I definitely will use this. This is going to be a staple in my collection. And girl, I have lots of lip colors. This will be staying. I will get a pencil for this soon, actually, because this is beautiful. Screenshot. This is a ultra satin lip. That's my favorite formula of theirs. It's sort of like the matte, but it's just more creamy and luxurious, almost like a typical lipstick would feel. Oh, this is pretty. It's like a dirty peach. I accidentally left a little bit of my other one down here. Okay, this is really pretty. Like I said, I love their Ultra Satin Lip. This will be a staple too, girl. This is really nice. And we have one more left. I just want to mention, I also bought my other friend one. It is called Notion. And I bought a lip pencil because I already have Notion. It is one of my favorites. I use it all the time. It is this gorgeous poppin' kind of a reddish purple, not even purple, like what would you call that? It's beautiful, and she was admiring it, and girl, when this sale was on, I was like, got it, you're gonna get this. But also what I did was I bought myself a lip pencil to go with it, and that is right here. So I bought the lippy pencil to go with it for myself. And I'm not going to put that on right now because this is for later, because I still have another box to unbox for you. But that's how much I love this color. Like, I already got one from a friend. I already got a lippy pencil for it, and I just ordered that not long ago. But what I wanted to mention was this whole order was only $51 US. $51.80, I believe. Let me check. Yes. So the Just Peachy 3-pack was only $11.70. The Notion pencil was $4. All the pencils were $4. Ipsy VIP, $6. Aquarius 2 Lippy was $4.55. That pink glam bag one that I got for my friend, $2.75 for the Lippy sticks. Tuesday was $5.20. Notion was $5.20. And Boys Town was $4.40. Girl, like, how affordable is it to shop with Colourpop? Insane. Now I'm going to take off this and I'll be back to show you guys this last color out of this box. Okay, I'm here to show you the final. This is an ultra matte lip. Speed dial. I'm so sorry if you can hear my air purifier this whole time. I forgot to turn it off, girl. I don't know why it has to be so loud. This is like a dirty, dirty peach. Catch me riding dirty. Okay, I'm glad I tried them all on because they are very different. They look the same almost when you just look at them. But child, how different were they when we got on my lip? Okay. I love it. I love all of these. Okay, I was so excited to unbox this for you guys. I've been dying for days to open this and just get into it, and Glow Up MUA was dying for me to show her, and I'm like, no girl, I have to wait. I gotta unbox this for my followers. So thank you if you've been rocking with me for a while. Thank you if you just tuned into my channel. Please hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell so you don't miss anything, girl, because I'm putting out my RuPaul's Drag Race review later on this week. I'm going to be filming it tonight, but it always takes me a little bit of time to edit because, girl, I have a 1-year-old and he takes the cake. That was my first box. If you want to see the second box, you're going to have to watch the second video. I'm about to make that right now, so make sure you stay tuned. Love you.